So, hey everyone, welcome back to our channels. Today's we are diving deep into the heart of heavy duty machines, the diesel engines. Have you ever wondered that's how the tractors, buses, and generators generate so much of the powers? In this video, we are going to explore the diesel engines, how it is works, and why it is so important in the worlds of machine and transport systems. So let's get started. So, what is a diesel engine? A diesel engine is a type of internal combustion engines. That means the fuel is burned inside the engine to produce the power. But here's the interesting part. Unlike the petrol engines that's used in a spark plug to ignite the fuels, diesel engines ignite the fuel using the heat generated by the compression of the air. This is called the compression ignitions. So while the petrol engines use as a spark to burn the fuels, diesel engines rely on air compression to generate the high temperatures, which then ignite the diesel fuels it is injected. So because of this, the diesel engines are more fuel efficient and more powerful at the lowest speed and perfect for the heavy duty machineries. Now let us look at the major components of a diesel engines, how it works and which components help it to run. First is the cylinder. This is where all of the combustions happen. Second is the piston. It's moved up and down inside the cylinder, converting the combustion energy into the mechanical of the motions. And now the final is the crankshaft, fuel injectors, valves, camshaft, and the flywheels that keep the engine motion smooth and constant. Each of these parts play a special role and key roles ensuring the engines to run smoothly and efficiently. Now let us understand that's how the diesel engines works and it's operate on the four stroke of the cycles. The first stroke is the intake stroke. That means the piston moves downward, creating a vacuum that's full in only air, no fuel else. And second is the compression strokes. This means the piston moves downward back and compressing the air tightly. This compression makes the air extremely hot, around the 500 degrees centigrade or even so higher. And the tertiary is the power stroke. That is, at the top of the stroke, the fuel injectors spray diesel into the hot gas, right? And the compression air, this heat ignites the fuel instantly, creating a mini explosions that push the piston down with a great forces. This is where the engine gets its powers. And now the final is the exhaust strokes. Finally, the piston move up again and the exhaust valve open to release the burn of the gases out of the cylinders. These cycles repeat hundreds of times in each and every minute, converting the chemical energy into the motion energy. And now let us talk about the advantages and disadvantages of the diesel engines. So while the diesel engines are so widely used, here are some of the major advantages of these diesel engines. High fuel efficiency, more tax, durabilities, and lower running cost. That's why you find the diesel engines in the tractors, trucks, construction machine, and trains, and even on ships. Now let us talk about the disadvantages of diesel engines. Diesel engines have some of their downsides. Some of them are they are so noisy. They produce the more pollutions. They have the maintenance costlier, and they have a cold start as well. In the very cold weathers, diesel engines can be hard to start without preheating of them. So these are all the disadvantages of these diesel engines. And now let us talk about the real life examples and application and the conclusion of this all of the seasons. Diesel engines have powered the world over the centuries, from farm to food, highway from railway to shipping ports. Their high torques and durabilities make them a perfect fit. In fact, many backup generators use the diesel engines because they are reliable and long-lasting. Understanding how they work helps us to appreciate the engineering marvels behind every heavy-duty machines we see around us. So that was the working principle of diesel engines. Simple, powerful, and efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational contents on engine, machine, and technologies. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.